The costs of digital forms of money are driven by many variables, including media publicity, reception rate, legitimate, criminal operations, and organic market. This large number of variables make directing a specialist examination of digital money urgent in the present market. Brise is another undertaking in the digital money world that has acquired notoriety due to turning into a top player in the industry potential. In this video, you'll learn everything about the leap forward of the year. We'll cover the Bitgert venture's subtleties, track down the responses to the most famous inquiries, and notice some Brise cost expectations, as indicated by the most recent information accumulated. The ongoing cost of Bitgert is $0, and Brise is as of now position no. 156 in the whole crypto environment. The core supply of Bitgert is $194,615,076.62, with a market cap of $395,688,215,721,653 Brise. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by $0 its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, Brise has been in a decent vertical pattern, subsequently expanding by 7.1%. Bitgert has shown areas of strength for exceptionally recently, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of Brise has expanded by 16.08%, adding a titanic typical measure of $0 its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now, assuming it keeps on developing. Bitgert Value Forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of Bitgert costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Bitgert will be $0. The greatest level that the Brise cost can reach is $0. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0. Brise value gauge for February 2023. In light of the value vacillations of Bitgert toward the start of 2023, crypto specialists expect the typical Brise pace of $0 February 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $0 separately. WAC 2023. Bitgert Value Gauge Cryptographic money specialists are prepared to report their estimate for the Brise cost in WAC 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $0, while the greatest could reach $0 this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Bitgert may be around $0. Brise value figure for April 2023. Crypto examiners have actually taken a look at the value vacillations of Bitgert in 2023 and in earlier years, so the normal Brise rate they anticipate may be around $0 April 2023. It can drop to $0 a base. The greatest worth may be $0. May 2023. Bitgert value gauge around mid-year 2023. The Brise cost will be exchanged at $0 and large. May 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Bitgert worth to $0. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $0 May 2023. Brise value figure for June 2023. Crypto specialists have broke down Bitgert costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to June 2023, $0. The most minimal and top Brise rates may be $0. July 2023. Bitgert value gauge crypto experts expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the Brise cost will be around $0. In July 2023, the Bitgert cost might drop to at least $0. The normal pinnacle worth may be $0. July 2023. Brise value gauge for August 2023. Having examined Bitgert costs, cryptographic money specialists expect that the Brise rate could arrive at a limit of $0 August 2023. It may, in any case, drop to $0. For August 2023, the determined normal of Bitgert is almost $0. September 2023. Bitgert value gauge around mid-2023. The Bitgert cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $0. Crypto experts expect that in September 2023, the Brise cost could vary somewhere in the range of $0. Brise value figure for October 2023. Market specialists expect that in October 2023, the Bitgert worth won't dip under at least $0. The greatest pinnacle expected for this present month is $0. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $0. November 2023. Bitgert value figure digital money specialists have painstakingly dissected the scope of Brise costs all through 2023. For November 2023, their figure is the accompanying. The most extreme exchanging worth of Bitgert will be around $0, with a chance of dropping to at least $0. In November 2023, the normal expense will be $0. Brise value estimate for December 2023. In view of the value variances of Bitgert toward the start of 2023, crypto specialists expect the typical Brise pace of $0 December 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $0 separately. Bitgert Value Expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of Bitgert in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Bitgert will be around $0. The greatest expected BRISE cost might be around $0. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $0 2024. Bitgert Value Forecast 2025. In view of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Bitgert, in 2025, BRISE is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $0 separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $0. Bitgert Value Expectation 2026. The specialists in the field of digital money have dissected the costs of Bitgert and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2026, the base BRISE cost could drop to $0, while its most extreme can reach $0. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $0. Bitgert Value Forecast 2027. In view of the examination of the expenses of Bitgert by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least BRISE costs are normal in 2027, $0. Overall, it will be exchanged at $0. Bitgert Value Expectation 2028. Crypto specialists are continually dissecting the changes of Bitgert. In light of their expectations, the assessed typical BRISE cost will be around $0. It could drop to at least $0. However, it actually could reach $0 through 2028. Bitgert Value Expectation 2029. Consistently, digital money specialists get ready estimates at the cost of Bitgert. It is assessed that BRISE will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $0 2029. Its typical expense is normal at around $0 the year. Bitgert Value Forecast 2030. Digital currency investigators are prepared to declare their assessments of the Bitgert's cost. The year 2030 not entirely settled by the greatest BRISE cost of $0. Notwithstanding, its rate could drop to around $0. In this way, the normal typical exchanging cost is $0. Bitgert Value Expectation 2031. Following quite a while of examination of the Bitgert cost, crypto specialists are prepared to give their BRISE cost assessment to 2031. It will be exchanged for somewhere around $0, with the conceivable most extreme tops at $0. By and large, you can anticipate that the BRISE cost should be around $0 2031. Bitgert Value Expectation 2032. Digital currency examiners are prepared to declare their assessments of the Bitgert's cost. The year 2032 not entirely settled by the greatest BRISE cost of $0. Nonetheless, its rate could drop to around $0. Thus, the normal typical exchanging cost is $0. What is Bitgert BRISE? This year, Bitgert is among the most astonishing digital money projects. Bitgert is based on the Binance blockchain. It promotes itself as a marking stage in a decentralized trade. In spring 2022, the BRISE wallet was coordinated into the Bitgert chain, empowering clients to send, get, purchase, and sell 20 Cruzado tokens. The Bitgert network was showcased as the first blockchain convention with zero exchange charges.